First step in selling digital products is figuring out what you actually want to sell. Digital products can be anything from online courses, stock photos, printables, templates, ebooks, podcasts, subscription content, sound effects, and even webinars. The key is to identify a product that aligns with your skills, interests, and, most importantly, your audience's needs. To make things easier, I've created this step-by-step checklist that you can follow. You can access this using the first link which is given in the video description. To use it, you just want to click on File option, then click on Make a Copy right over here. You are then going to make a copy of this document so you can make changes for yourself. The changes you will make are pretty much just ticking these boxes to ensure that you are making progress while watching this tutorial. Step 1 is choosing the right digital product idea. Right in the document, you will find different examples and steps that you can take to find the right digital product idea for yourself. Start by asking yourself, what problems can you solve? What value can you provide? In fact, there is this step-by-step guide to finalize your digital product idea. You're also going to find a list of different formats like selling ebooks, online courses, templates, digital art, communities, recipes, meal plans, graphic designs, and even writing services like blog posts and press releases. For example, if you're a graphic designer, you might create a series of customizable templates for social media graphics. If you're a nutritionist, you could offer meal planning guides or diet trackers. The possibilities are endless. Simply go through these documents and you'll find dozens of digital product ideas for yourself. There's also this video here, which contains some untapped digital product ideas, so make sure to watch this as well. For the sake of this video, the digital product idea for me is going to be a habit tracker, and that's what I'm going to build. Alright, the next step for me would be to create a target avatar. For this, probably the most useful document is going to be this one called Creating Your Blueprint. I call it the master document, and what it will allow you to do is have a checklist for yourself to choose the right product that aligns with the niche you're going to be in. While thinking about the product that you're going to sell, whether it's an online course, printable, or online community, you're just going to ask yourself these questions. If you tick each box, you have higher chances of building something significant. Filling out this entire document will probably take you around 15 minutes, but these are the steps that 99% of people never take, which is why you can easily outperform them and get far better results. Next, you're going to create an avatar by opening this document, clicking on the File option, making a copy, and entering details about who you're trying to target with this community or any other digital product format you're selling. Next, we also have the blueprint building question. These are extremely important and will give you more clarity about your audience. Some important questions that you want to ask yourself include, what is your offer? What problem do you solve? Who is your target avatar? What will you charge? Who are your competitors? List all of these things in this document so that you can always refer back to it. All of this takes 10 to 15 minutes, but it's something that 99% of people are not going to do.